Jay the Traveling Man, thought I'd let you know we stopped here in Paris, Tennessee. Yes, Paris, Tennessee. So don't think Paris, Italy, but we are in Tennessee. So other than that, I want to say hello to everyone in Paris, Tennessee. This is CJ the Traveling Man. As you can see on my shirt, we're going to be everywhere in the state of Tennessee. Yes, every single town, village, and city in the state of Tennessee. So other than that, spread the word. Let your sister, your mama, your brother, your cousin, your uncle, anybody that you know that CJ the Traveling Man is coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Yes, spread the word. Let everybody know this is CJ the Traveling Man heading on to my next town. But before we do, I want to show you something here in Paris, Tennessee that we found. Definitely, you got to check this out. So if you ever stop here in Paris, Tennessee, I want to show you this. So other than that, we're going to go check this little thing out. It's pretty cool. So you just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. This is CJ the Traveling Man, signing out. Peace.